This is a less popular off-road route located in Guangzhou. The scenery is beautiful and the difficulty is also very high, which poses certain challenges for the ATV we have made. This time we drove 3 vehicles over, 1 gasoline rear-wheel drive, 1 pure electric UTV, and 1 climbing vehicle. But the weather is unpredictable, and the difficulty is already high. Now it's raining, which has increased the difficulty for us. Hello everyone, I am UTV Boss. Today, we arrived at the wilderness off-road route for crossing, and this is an introductory river. It rained a bit today, but our 2 vehicles have to pass through the river to proceed with this off-road route. Let's wait and see if it's easy for us to cross this introductory river.